How to fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the lag on Roblox easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top right here on your game and click on this settings option. And after you click on it, now click here on settings. And now scroll down until you find the graphics quality and click here to make it lower like this. Click until it's like this, and then scroll down like this until you find the camera inverted option and make it off like this. Very easy and fast. And after you finish, go back and you have to relaunch the game. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.